I've been using the Wix AI website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Wix AI website builder. Wix AI Website Builder is a powerful and user-friendly tool designed to simplify website creation for individuals and businesses alike. It designs websites based on user inputs, such as business type, goals, and design preferences, with the help of artificial intelligence. Additionally, the platform offers over 800 customizable templates and an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it easy to refine designs. On top of that, Wix AI also generates SEO-friendly content and provides advanced features like an AI blogging suite and a logo maker to enhance branding. Now let's talk about its pricing. Wix offers a free plan for testing the platform, while its paid plans start at $17 per month for the basic light plan. Other options include the core plan at $29 per month, the business plan at $36 per month, and the business elite plan at $159 per month. These plans include features like ad-free websites, custom domains, and 24/7 customer support. For e-commerce users, Wix provides advanced tools such as dropshipping support for up to 50,000 products on higher-tier plans. However, there are some limitations. For instance, the AI-generated designs may require manual adjustments to meet specific expectations. Additionally, while the free plan is useful for beginners, it includes ads and limited storage of 500 megabytes, which may not suffice for larger projects. Overall, Wix AI Website Builder is a versatile option that balances efficiency with customization but may require effort to fully optimize designs. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.